the front. It's a 4-3-3 formation. And here is the away team formation. Off we go then. Let's hope for some goals then today. Good ball. Now it's Pogba. Surely now. That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. It's Lukaku. Oh, that was a real chance. Let's have another look. How out of character. He normally buries those here forward by the goalkeeper. Headed on. Oh, he's onside here. Oh, good clearance there. Here's Varane. Nice work there. That's nicely played. Back to the keeper. He's headed the ball forward. Passed inside. Van Dijk gets it away. Now Lukaku. He's got the ball at his feet. He must score. Griezmann. Oh, he scored. He made it look so easy. And his hard work and determination have paid off there as he finds himself on the score sheet. Let's have a look at that one again. The players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. Finds his teammate. Here's Kane. Here's Kane. Here's Kane. Well timed then. Great defending. Oh, this could be costly. Ooh, quality defending there. And he's won it back for his team. Oh, a chance now to turn defense. And there's the whistle. It's half time. Brought on a few substitutes for the second half. It's 1-0. The losing team have the next 45 minutes to turn things around. Passing the ball really well. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. Headed on. He's onside here. Oh, it's a clear chance. Oh, it's an equaliser. All square. Oh, what a stunning goal here as he finds the back of the net with ease. There's a look of confidence about the team now as they've drawn level. Can they get in front now? He's knocked in long. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Good clearance. He really got behind that. Intercepted. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution.